Most people don't see their real problem. They are not going to see their real problem. They are always going to think, I'm not having sufficient time. I don't have the time. I'm full busyness. I'm doing busyness. I'm full busy. Not having the time. They won't see the real problem. Okay? They won't see the real problem. The real problem is they are misusing time. The real problem is they are misusing time with these enemies. Okay, like so. Just there is one wonderful example is there from this from this chapter, sir. Lionel is a businessman. What is his name? Lionel is a businessman. There is another businessman is there, Richard Branson. Richard Branson. You know, right? Virgin Airlines, like multiple companies are there for this Richard Branson. Lionel and Richard Branson, they are somewhere they went, okay, somewhere in the snow skiing or skiing, like snow skiing. What is that game name?
No skiing.
Okay. So they are playing that snow skiing. Okay, like they are playing. Just they are enjoying like on the snow hills. One person, the person name is Lionel. He's doing good business, man. Good income. This person having the huge, he's doing the good business and good income. But this person is always stressed. Always stressed. Always busy. Always tired. Always tired. Why? What the reason for that is? Because he was always in chaos. His mind was always busy. He could not even relax properly. So he's always for the phone. Array, do that, do this, and so on. Okay, he's always busy. Array, give that approval. Take this approval. Do that, do this. Always stressed, always busy, always like that. But there is another person in there, Richard Branson. He had 400 companies, man. Not one or two. 400 companies he's running. Not having the mobile, not having. He's enjoying that situation, enjoying that moment, that skiing. He's enjoying that snow skiing. Where is the difference, man? One person, by doing small business, running a small business, seems to be full busy kind of thing. Full busy kind of thing, one person. But the other person, even though he's doing 400 businesses, this person, full silent, fully happy, relaxed mode, peace of mind, and is enjoying that snow skiing. Where is the difference? The difference is, okay, where is the difference? The difference is mindset plus habits. Remember this one, mindset plus habits. One person mindset is, I'm responsible for everything, approval, everything I'm responsible. But another person is, I have to build the system, I have to build the processes, so those things are going to run automatically without me. Which mindset is required? Which habits are required? Let's observe that. Okay, your habits, your mindset is the reason for your success or for your failure, for your growth or for your destruction. That's why these 5 assassins you require to take a bit special care. Okay.